how to copy group link on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy group link on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then just click on your group and click on group profile here and scroll down until you find this one. This one, invite, click on it, and as you see here you will find it copy link, and now all you need to do is just click copy link, and as you see link have been copied, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.